What time is it? It's science time! A Van de Graaff allows us to see static electricity in the lab, and it also allows us to do some really cool demonstrations. And the first thing is, we're going to try to put some confetti onto the dome. Let's see what happens when we turn it on. Whoa! The confetti has the same charge as the dome and shoots off of the dome because they are repelling one another. A Van de Graaff is able to generate electric charge very rapidly and behaves similarly to when we are rubbing the balloon against our head. The rubber belt inside carries away the negative charges, while the roller at the top inside the dome accumulates a positive charge and places it on the dome. This scientific tool was invented by Robert J. Van de Graaff. Whoa! I didn't expect that to happen. Oh, what if we try taping down some toilet paper? Oh, let's turn it on to see what happens. Yes! It looks just like hair standing up on a person who might be touching the Van de Graaff. It's really amazing to see the spark that's generated by the grounding rod as we put it close to the charged dome. That huge spark is similar to the little spark you feel sometimes when you touch a doorknob. But this one happens to be a lot bigger and a lot stronger. Thanks for being part of our crew today and checking out this short clip from DIY Science Time. If you like this clip and you want to see more exciting science, check out the full versions right here on the channel. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting DIY Science Time.